CryptoTab Browser review. In this video, I'm going to give you my honest review about the CryptoTab Browser. Maybe asking yourself, can you make money with the CryptoTab Browser? Okay, but first of all, if you want to get my #1 recommendation to make money online, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. I will send it to you into your email inbox. Now let's talk about our CryptoTab Browser. So this is a mining program, guys, okay, that claims you can make money by mining Bitcoin from home, guys, using your PC. Okay, to be honest, this platform, it is legit. Okay, I've seen some people, they make money here with this kind of platforms, but I also seen some red flags about it. I'm going to tell you some of those red flags. Okay, so it says that the world first browser with mining features and BTC, the Bitcoin, without looking up from watching videos, chatting, or gaming online. Join the community of more than 35 million users all over the world already enjoying crypto browser. That's kind of huge, man. There are so many users that they're using this platform. 35 million users. Okay, it must be good, but let's see. Okay, you have to download CryptoTab browser. You have to download the CryptoTab browser. You have to download it in order to start making money here. Like how it works is that building in mining features and stuff like that. Let's see some of the reasons that you should use this CryptoTab browser. You said that, and while it's stuffing the web, activity mining, then just strolling, navigating, chatting on social media. So how it works is that you have to install this, you have to download this on a laptop and then maybe on a PC, and then it's gonna use the internet connection, guys. Keep in mind, it's gonna consume the internet connection. Whatever you do on a laptop is gonna give you some bitcoins. Okay, it's gonna give you some bitcoins. You have to use it maybe watching videos, watching Netflix, and then this algorithm is gonna take care of the rest. Okay, it's gonna give you some bitcoins, but it's gonna consume your internet connection, guys. Keep it in mind. Okay, so I've seen some people, they claim that this is a legit, and I've seen some people that they made money here using a CryptoTab browser. They're getting some bitcoins, guys, okay, on their e-wallet. They're getting some bitcoins on their e-wallet. But one of the main disadvantages that I had about this CryptoTab browser, it was good in the past, guys, okay. It was really good in the past. They were paying on time. They were paying their users on time. But now, okay, I've heard that some users, they are complaining that they do not complete their payments. Okay, their payments, they goes on pending up to 6 months, guys, you know, which raises some of the red flags for me about this platform. Okay, which raises some of the red flags about this platform, because they claim that you can make money, and while it does pay in the past, but now, guys, okay, it doesn't pay this platform, because okay, it may take up to 6 months your payments to be pending, not be completed, and then whenever you try to contact their support team, they say that be patient, the payment is gonna reflect on a Bitcoin wallet within days. Guys, to be honest, whenever you withdraw some bitcoins, guys, okay, it reflects it immediately. Bitcoin, guys, is a blockchain. Whenever you do some transactions there, it should reflect within seconds, within minutes, guys. Okay, so those are some red flags that I have about this CryptoTab browser, guys. So I don't recommend for people that want to make money and waste their time and also to waste their internet connection on this kind of website, guys. Okay, I wouldn't recommend it at all, guys. Okay, so they say that you can mine Bitcoin. The core crypto browser is the built-in mining algorithm that we don't stop there with multiple devices. So they say that you can use multiple devices, guys, okay, with this kind of website. Okay, and also the other way that you can make money here with this website, with CryptoTab browser, you can also do some referrals, guys. Okay, you can also promote this website, okay, and get commission whenever someone joins on your link. So that's how you can make money as well. But can you get paid? I don't think so, you know. After I read some reviews about it, that the members that they claim that yes, we got money in the past, but now it doesn't pay anything, guys. Okay, so I won't recommend for you guys to waste your time here on this kind of website. Okay, you can look at these kind of, you can start making money with affiliate income. I mean that you're gonna refer some users whenever they join on your link, you're gonna get some commissions. But they don't talk about what kind of commission you will be getting. So that's some of the concern that I have about this. They are not being transparent to you enough. Okay, they are not being transparent. They said that you get a commission, you get a commission fee, but on what percent? Okay, they should be transparent. Okay, you'll get a 10% commission fee, 50% commission fee, 20% commission fee. They are not transparent on how much you'll be getting. So those are kind of the red flags that I have about this CryptoTab browser, guys. Okay, now let's talk about some of the alternatives way, guys, that you can make money online from home without wasting your time mining Bitcoin or downloading this kind of scammy website on a laptop or on your PC. How you can make money online to start have a consistent income, guys. Okay, remember me, I was failing for 4 years, guys. Okay, I tried this kind of website, in the past, something like this one. They promise that you can make money by mining Bitcoin. I tried this kind of website, guys. Okay, I never get any money with this kind of website, guys. Okay, until I found the right mentor, until I found a high ticket affiliate marketing, guys. Okay, that you can earn over $1,000 per sale, guys. Okay, with high ticket affiliate marketing, it helps me, guys, a lot to quit my 9-to-5 job and also to have financial freedom, guys. Okay, to do whatever I want at my own time, guys. Okay, to be my own boss, guys. Okay, without wasting my time on this kind of website, guys. Okay, if you want that free training, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. I will send it to you, guys. Okay, into your email inbox, guys. Okay, so that you can able to get started with high ticket affiliate marketing, so that you can make money online, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections, guys. Take care and may God bless you sharp.